Should you wait to install solar equipment on your house? I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And today's question is, should you wait to install solar equipment on your house? One thing's for sure is you can count on the utility company to continue to increase those rate hikes, and you'll be subject to those if you don't do something about it. So one of the big benefits of installing solar right now is that you get to fix the costs of your energy. Now, for those people who don't, they're going to be subject to whatever the local utility company increases the cost of a kilowatt to. For you, if you fix the rate of your energy costs by buying solar now, not only are you doing that, but you're doing it at a great time because the solar equipment that's being installed now is far more efficient than what was being installed 5-10 years ago. In addition to that, the cost of the equipment has gone way down. If you have any other questions about solar or real estate or how those two things go together, or if you've got a home with solar equipment on it now and you want to sell it and make sure to get maximum dollar for the investment you've made, give me a call. I'd love to speak with you and show you how we can make sure to insulate the value in the investment that you've made in your solar equipment. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.